Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to help promote our website and just to tell you a little bit about some of the things that we do. If you've ever been shopping for area rugs in your local community, you've probably come home frustrated because I'm sure you found that most of the floor covering stores and box stores in your community have gotten out of the area rug business. You might have found a couple stores that have a few rugs here and there, but their selection is usually pretty weak, and the rugs that they do have are usually way overpriced. So most of the time these days, people are having to shop online for area rugs, and there's so many places that are selling rugs. You never really know what's a good deal and what's a bad deal. Well, at BestRugPrices.com, we've been in the business for a long, long time, and what we do is we scan most of these sites for you, for our customers, and we make buying recommendations on our site for the best deals that are going on each month, and we post those recommendations on our site. And it basically, what it does is it helps remove some of the frustration away from our customers, and they're able to go right to these sites and get the best prices. So that's what we do on BestRugPrices.com. The other thing we have is a blog page where we talk about floor covering, and I'll switch over to the website real quick to show you that. Let me get out of that page, but here we are at BestRugPrices.com, and this is our area rug page, our main page, and we have videos that we post on our site all the time about different types of rugs, and then our site it's really easy to navigate. What we do is as I scroll down here, we separate our site just by size. We have kids area rugs, and then we have 8x10 area rugs and 6x9. And as I scroll down, the different sizes go on and on. And basically, what you do is you click the Shop Now button on the size of the rug that you think you're interested in, and then it'll take you to a further examples of the rugs that we have in that size, and we break it down by all different types of rugs, whether it's modern, oriental, traditional, and so on. So it's really easy to navigate through our site. We also have a Be Floored blog, is the name of our blog, and on this page, as I click to that, we write articles about floor covering. So if you have a project that you're trying to redo a room in your house, maybe you're remodeling the whole house, or you're building a house, we have all kind of articles that talk about different types of floor, whether it's carpet, hardwood, luxury vinyl, tile and plank, ceramic, you name it. And we have product review articles, we do cleaning and maintenance tip articles, we have articles on budgeting, and we even have articles on strategies that we recommend you use to go into your local flooring store to get the best possible price on your flooring project. And that's our Be Floored blog. So we have a wealth of information that's completely free to use. We never charge anybody anything, and we'd love for you to come visit our blog page, read some of our articles, and maybe leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. But we're at BestRugPrices.com, and like I said, our main page is about area rugs, and we would love for you to come visit this site as well and explore some of our recommendations and let us know what you think.